You have an app idea but don't know where to start from. Well, don't worry. We have all the solutions for you. Hi guys, I'm Ananya from Code Lab, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can build an application for your business. In today's time, millions of businesses have moved online. There are approximately 24 million online shops around the world. And if we talk about the number of mobile applications, the number has increased to 8.93 million worldwide. Now, the question is what you can do to launch an application for your business. And here's the answer. There are some things to consider to build an application, which I will explain. Number one is competitor analysis. Find out what your competitors are doing in the market and what unique thing you will serve to your users. If you have a better angle or a way to help users make something happen, your app can knock out the incumbent leaders. Number two is do budget planning. Have you ever wondered why less than 1% of mobile applications are successful? Insufficient funding is the main reason behind it. Make sure that when you create a budget plan, make sure that you have funds for the entire life cycle of your application creation and its maintenance. Number three is app development. If you are not a software developer yourself, then you will need outside support to develop your application. In this chance, you can hire a freelancer or you can hire an app development team. If you go with the freelance model, then you will learn to manage multiple freelancers working for your application. But if you go for a mobile app development company, then you will get a dedicated team of experts working directly for you. Number four is decide your platform. Do you know most of the applications miss out on significant part of population when they create an app of a specific platform? For better reach out and for the sake of app growth, it's best to build an application that is on both the devices, iOS and Android. Last but not the least, which technology to follow. Don't miss out on the latest technologies which are followed by the market. You must ensure to choose the right technology for the development process. The right technology used in mobile app development leads to a successful business application. Now, next, let's discuss some platforms and the latest technologies followed on them in the market. And what are their benefits to your business? First is the Android platform technology used in Android. That consists of Java, C, C++, Corona, PhoneGap, Titanium, HTML5. Well, do you know why the operation system of iOS and Android applications are different? That's because of the technology. Apps developed in Android language are not able to run on iOS devices. But there are some benefits of following the Android technology, like you will get a high ROI, fast development of your product, versatility and scalability, enhanced security. And let me tell you about iOS platform too. Technology used in iOS platform is Objective-C, C and Shift. iOS apps run on iOS device only, and they have their own benefits like better app revenue, tech-ready audience, high market penetration, high quality standards, and much more. In case you are confused to choose amongst the two, there is a third option to choose your platform, which is the combination of two. If you are looking to make an application which works on both Android and iOS platform, then you need to make use of hybrid application. Now next, let's talk on what are the technologies used in a hybrid application. These are React Native, Flutter, NativeScript, Ionic, JavaScript, HTML5 and Angular. Hybrid apps are able to run in both iOS and Android devices. These apps are developed with Flutter and React native language, and this is the most useful one. You don't have to rewrite the code. It reduced the code development time. It's accessible in both the devices features, same UI and business logic in all the platforms. And with this, we sum up the various features of these three platforms, which is the iOS, Android and hybrid. And if you are a non-tech person, it becomes very complicated as you won't be able to keep up with the latest updates and technologies. But you need not worry for this, as the team of CodeBrew Labs is here to help you in converting your idea to reality. Our team of experts would not only take care of the technological needs, but we will also provide you the best guidance for your business growth. You can get in touch with us directly through the link in the description below. With this, we come to the end of this video. We shall be back with more videos. Till then, you take care and keep brewing new ideas.